Guys, I will teach you makeup. अभी कपड़े पहन लूं मैं? When I was a child, I was a tomboy. A1 from day one. Too good, Amir. Too good. What is the best part about this makeup? My lashes. Change my clothes. Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm doing a vlog. Get ready with me for a Roka function, which is in Bombay. And I wasn't feeling to get ready, and I have someone very special who's a friend of mine and who's always done my makeup also. Don't know what kind of makeup I want. I have no idea. I'm gonna just leave it to the best. Urmi!
Hi.
This is Urmi. She's a friend and a #1 bride makeup artist. So she's gonna come and help me today. Thank you, Urmi, for doing this.
Thank you for calling me. Always a pleasure.
No, very sweet, very kind. So Urmi, tell me, what are we gonna do today?
So let's do a glam look.
Glam look?
Yeah.
Okay,
It'll
so
look nice.
I don't know. I'm wearing a red outfit, reddish, kind of reddish.
Yeah, let's do a nice semi-smoky eye.
Semi-smoky? Okay,
Yeah.
semi-smoky. Come, Palak, come. And that's Palak. She's assisting Urmi today. She's very, very sweet and kind. Say hi, Palak. Say louder so that my mic can hear you.
Hi.
She's very cute. Okay, let's go.
So I'm going to moisturize your skin first. Okay?
So how many brides you have this season? Come on, break the ice and just tell me.
I actually have not counted.
Wow.
But,
you do not count also.
I never count really. I still don't. I don't keep a track of it.
She also has her masterclass coming up. But I think
Yeah.
meantime this video will come.
Yeah.
But if all the girls who want to get their makeup done and they want to learn more stuff about makeup, A1 from day one. Too good, Amir. Too good. Then you can't get hold of Urmi. Then Urmi is too busy, baba. Nowadays, my new ritual is when I'm doing puja, I put an eye patch at puja. So 20 minutes hydration happens.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good,
That's
right?
very nice. Yeah.
I have to use my Japan stuff, no?
You like your brows a little thick, na? So.
Yeah. It's become too thin now. That day, someone in my house helper, she's like, please, Didi, do your eyebrows and come and talk to me. I was like, sure. I don't want to touch my face at all.
You have a very pretty face. You don't need anything.
Mummy always says that brows bane ho na, blush lagao, lipstick, bas.
Yeah, that's very true. सिर्फ आइस में टाइम लगता है, मेक तो फटाफट हो जाता है.
आईज में टाइम लगना भी चाहिए. जिसने आईज जल्दी कर दी ना, उन्होंने काम अच्छा नहीं किया उन्होंने. Even I take, when I'm doing my own makeup, I take good 40 minutes to do my eyes. Wow, yum. You know, Urmi, when I was young, I'm still young. When I was a child, I was a tomboy.
Yeah?
You don't know this? I was a tomboy. I only had black, grey and blues in my wardrobe. I used to wear these ugly shorts and there was nothing feminine about me. And then eventually I became a heroine and chaska lag gaya and stuff like that. But mama used to always tell me, Hansika, makeup seek. Learn
Really?
makeup, learn makeup. Yeah, and I couldn't. For the years, like for many years, I just didn't learn makeup. I was like, no, there's always someone to do it. One day, I don't know what happened, but I used to collect. I used to have a big vanity also. I don't know what happened. I started wearing lenses. Lenses also someone used to make me wear. Then I got into it and now I do my own makeup. But mom tried her level best to teach me. And I was like, no. But when it hits you, it hits you.
Yeah.
That's my own experience.
Yeah. थोड़ा इसको intensify करो देखो corners को.
Let me see it in my piggy makeup mirror. Okay, tell me which is the most gaudiest makeup you've done on a bride and you couldn't say no. Come on. अलग level का podcast है ये.
The clients are so nice. Once it had happened, the family had an issue. Like the family wanted the bride's makeup to be like, she was British and they wanted her to be very, 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 very fair because the guy was. So that was the only thing I think I've come across where it was a little insane. And the girl wanted to look like her skin color.
How lovely. I think every girl should embrace how they look.
Yeah. Let me just test it.
It's fab.
Your own lashes are so nice.
But they don't curl up, no. Very difficult. But I hope Mona ji seeing this vlog and is proud of me. I want to get this palette for my eyeshadow.
Giorna?
Yeah, very nice. I'll get it now.
Very nice. थोड़ा अच्छे से glue लगाना, ज़्यादा glue लगाना. नहीं तो हंस का निकाल देगी.
Who knows? I'm very, very finicky with my lashes. Everyone who's watching this, I'm like extremely finicky. how much? Urmi's like, Hansika, this is too much glue. I was like, no, put more, put more, put more. So, I mean, this time, if I'm not wrong, your masterclass has 50 people.
Yes, that's right.
I'm going to be the 51st person to come.
Are you
I'll
come?
do a surprise entry.
Please, I'll be so happy.
I'll come.
I think my students will be so happy seeing you.
I was like, guys, I will teach you makeup. Come here, guys.
फिर दूसरा देते हैं मुझे हो गया. She likes to put it.
Immediately. मैं वही सोच रही हूँ, हेलो, इतना टाइम सूख गया वो.
नहीं, it's perfect.
मैं दबाऊँ. That's my job. See
Just
how?
check the placement once.
I think बहुत ऊपर लग रहा है.
क्योंकि वो लास्ट लैश तक ही लगाना पड़ेगा ना, अपने लैश दिखेगा. हाफ है ना इसके लिए.
Eyelash always connects very well.
Side lashes look very nice.
No, this eye, it connects very well.
अच्छा.
This is always like a little pokey.
हाँ.
And it bothers me. And I'm just like, I do not want to connect it, but then I have to connect it. Like, you know, you're doing it.
Yeah, that is looking
See
perfect.
how seamless it is?
ठीक करो इसको और थोड़ा अंदर डाल. तो फिर वो इधर से बाहर से
नहीं होता है.
थोड़ा
वो आंखों का
shape
प्रॉब्लम.
Are you looking?
I'm seeing, what did she say to you that you did this? Just out of curiosity.
What foundation you would like me to use on you today?
MAC.
You're okay with this foundation? You want me to do थोड़ा सा MAC ऊपर से?
मेरे को तो बहुत फेयर लग रही है. पलक, और हंसी आ रही है आपको? हाँ? Finance girl? Wow, what contouring, bro. So I can never do stick contouring.
It's so easy.
No.
Hurry, I'll teach you.
No, I don't want to learn. I
And this
always
one,
think
red
that you
liquid
should
one.
do it lower, but you know, there's a technique. You have to do it a little upper. You know, all that I don't understand.
So basically, you just start from here, and instead of dragging it down, just drag it upwards so that the face looks chiseled.
Girls, tip for you guys. For more tips like that, follow my YouTube. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. And definitely hit the bell icon. Bell. And definitely hit the bell icon. And I also think you can go follow on Instagram. दिखेगा रहा है. थोड़ा सा दिखा. Nice. और more. I want more.
हाँ धीरे धीरे.
More. We'll mange more. Nose also.
Yes.
Should look natural, like I'm from Kashmir. कश्मीर की एप्पल. ऐसे बोलता ना.
हाँ कश्मीर की कली.
कली नहीं हूँ मैं. कली. Am I kali? What does kali mean?
Flower.
No, I don't want to be a flower. Achha, we have more. Guys, this is the third blush I'm using. Love Urmi. She has more, but I don't think we can use that. Then I'll look like a buffoon. Wow.
Blend it, huh? Give me powder to blend it.
Yeah.
And brush. ये ठीक है?
ये ठीक. मैं थोड़ा तुमको ऐसे से करना है. ऐसे से.
Mama, give her a brush.
Okay, now we're done.
Yeah.
Wow. चलो अभी मैं रेडी हूँ. फिर मेरे को हेयर भी करना है. What is the best part about this makeup? My lashes. My lashes. It is you. It's your hands. अभी कपड़े पहन लूँ मैं?
हाँ.
Okay, guys, it's time to change my clothes. Change my clothes. See you soon. Yay! And I'm ready. Yeah. Can you see the amazing glam? I was just not feeling anything today, and it's only and only because of Urmi's amazing makeup. Thank you, Urmi.
Thank you.
And it's just wow, right? See. Ooh la la. Okay, guys, this was my vlog. I really enjoyed my get ready today. So thank you. I love
Thank you.
She just doesn't want to show her face completely. I don't know why, but it's okay. She's a beautiful girl. I think you've seen her half profile, but go stalk her on her Instagram. You know the drill, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And now I'm off for the wedding.